Hello, YouTubers! So this is our third design of this week, number 36 for the year. This is also from the 80s Advanced Dungeons & Dragons action figure series. This is Warduke's Sword. So I've got the tornado going on this one now because the Prusa I'm reprinting our first design of the week, the Doom Hammer. I really enjoyed this D&D figures when I was a kid. I remember having a bunch of them in one of the play sets. It was just too cool. I'm surprised we hadn't designed anything from that series until now. Just so many cool stuff out there, you just don't think about it. And then when you do, it's like, oh yeah! So I'm sure we'll see a lot of stuff coming from that series in the future. Alright, looking pretty good. I gotta get back to work, so hopefully it'll be alright. Yeah, okay. So that's always nice to come back and find that. Actually feels really good though. Huh. Man, this stuff would be perfect in an Easter basket. Okay, I will try this again. I'll put some fresh glue stick down. I didn't put any down that time. Just letting it ride. Because that's how I roll. And it's not always the best way, I know. I know. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, here we go. Hope this one works out better. And let's hope there's enough filament on that spool for it. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, so third attempt. So the issues from this. We're now printing this again. This is Warduke's Sword from D&D. And the Prusa is now all caught up. And it is also printing Warduke's Sword. Alright, looking pretty good. See if the tornado's holding up. Oh, looks like it is this time. Alright. Alright. Prusa's done. Tornado's getting there, looking pretty good. Let's Pick these out and clean them up. Man, I think this might be the first time I got all three designs out there in post-processing at the same time. So let's see how this one looks. I dropped a magnet to my door somewhere too. That's looking pretty good. Alright, my phone battery's dying. So I get no flash, but I can use this light. They come out pretty good. I think they come out really good. I like that. It's a nice design. Alright, pull that off, clean it up. Getting ready to post the first video here shortly for our first design of the week. Alright, there we go. There's our third design of the week, all done. There's a large one. It's come out really good. Man, I remember having this as a kid. Remember all these action figures. That is so cool. Oh, I love this technology. I just think the possibilities are endless. And then here's the little one. Yeah, I really like this design. I love this series, as you know. Probably do some more from this. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to ring that bell, as we got a lot of content coming out this year. Have yourself a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. God bless.